Greetings and salutations. How are you guys doing? It's Monday. It is Monday. Who knows what day it is? Right then, so you might have heard of this new thing called Nick salts. Ooh, it's got a nice chemical thing on there. Yeah, doesn't mean anything really, does it? No. Right, so quick video. What are Nick salts? What are they all about? Why would I want them? Etc. Etc. So I've done a bit of research, a bit of reading, because I know a lot of you guys struggle with that. So I thought I'd break this down to make it nice and simple for you to mentally digest. Right, so if you bought a bit money today, aren't I? If you bought a big bottle of something, you'd have been given some of these things. And also, of course, if you buy a bottle of something else, it's got nicotine in. It's small, that sort of size. Now, the nicotine you've been using so far is called the free-base nicotine, and that's been around for a long, long time. And you might have noticed actually, if you, for example, were on a 3 and you tried a 6, or you know, or if you're just starting out and you're on an 18 or something, and it kind of bites to your throat, doesn't it? And apparently the reason that is because nicotine in a free-base form is high in alkaline levels. Yeah, our human bodies, I think it's sort of in the middle somewhere. Acid is over here, alkali is over here. Again, so that high level of nicotine sort of gives you that throat hit, which again, some people who are trying to get off smoking I actually quite like. But of course, you know, for a lot of people this can ruin the experience, ruin the flavour. I know if I got up to a 6, I barely taste the flavour because I'm just feeling that. So, Nick salts then. Now, a bit of history about cigarettes then. Why don't we get this with cigarettes? Well, with cigarettes what they do is, according to my reading of course, is they add ammonia. And this takes the alkaline level down towards that middle ground. So again, it's less burny on the throat. But of course, so far, I don't want to vape ammonia. What the hell's that about? So Nick salts then, what they've done is, they've added benzoic acid, I believe it's called. Yeah. And what that does, again, it takes it down towards that middle ground. And that gives you a much smoother hit on the throat. Although I've left it in the car, I've got a device and I'm actually using some 20mg. And again, there's nothing. I was at Stanley this morning, gave Jay a blast and he's vaping away. I said, oh, by the way, that's 20mg. And again, the shocked look on his face because it is very smooth on the throat. Now, I have tried this. One bottle of this in there. And again, you barely notice the nicotine from the throat point of view. Now, plus sides to this. Theoretically, well, people are saying actually, is it proven? I'm not sure. Nick salts, because of their medium pH levels, do go to your brain a lot more effectively and a lot quicker as well. So that's one of the main benefits of Nick salts, is it does that. And also, like I say, it has little effect on the actual flavour of your juice. And that's certainly true. Yeah, so again, the flavour that you like will definitely be a bit smoother and less throaty. Yeah. Yeah, so that's basically Nick salts in a nutshell, guys. Again, they do cost more than standard Nick shots, so there is a bit of a cost there. But again, for a lot of people who want to enjoy that flavour but still get the hit without the sort of negative intermediate effect, Nick salts are the way forward. Yeah, so that's a quick one on Nick salts. Did I forget anything? There's words like bioavailable and lipid, blah 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 blah, and protons stripped down and all this sort of gubbins. We don't need to know that. Basically, smoother and faster nicotine hit. I think that was it. Another video I could have done in 30 seconds. Right, so enjoy your Monday, and you should start seeing quite a bit more of me soon, because changes are happening. Ooh. I guess I got that message because it's in the way. Right, and we'll catch you guys later.